So the body's bulletproof, the glass is shatterproof, but the wheels aren't theft-proof. The very first thing I did when I got my Cybertruck home was take off those aero covers. They just didn't look good, especially with the core wheels that I have. The only problem is, as soon as you take off those aero covers, the hub is all rusted, and I don't know about you, but the last thing I want is someone to be noticing rust on my Cybertruck. After a little research, I was able to find this company called Cybertruckco. They make a locking billet aluminum center cap for the Cybertruck. They look OEM, they look amazing, and they really complement the factory wheel. Just kind of finishes off the whole wheel really nicely. In today's video, I'm gonna go step by step and show you guys exactly how to install these. They're super easy, anyone can do it. Let's get started. These are super easy to install. Basically, it has 3 pieces. You got your key right here. You have this locking center ring, and then you have the cap itself. So put everything else away. Take the center cap, get it lined up, and if you notice right here, right, I'm gonna actually turn it slightly off center, because when I actually go to lock it down, it's gonna line up right where I want it. So keep it fixed in place right here. Then you're gonna get your locking center ring. Take your key, put it into place. I have everything just kind of floating right now. And I'm going to start by turning it counterclockwise, and that's going to ensure that I have the teeth, or the threads rather, secured and lined up on the hub. So I turn it counterclockwise, I can feel it kind of lock into place. Now I'm going to secure it clockwise. It goes in nice and easy. And keep spinning until you got about, I'd say maybe like 5 pounds of pressure. And that's all you need. May have to give it a little shake. Comes out, and you're good to go. And before you forget, make sure you secure and remember exactly where you put that key. That is the only thing that's going to allow you to be able to open up that center cap and get access to your wheels. If you've been driving your Cybertruck around for any period of time, you know that there's no middle ground with this vehicle. Either people absolutely love it or absolutely despise it. Having these billet aluminum locking center caps gives me peace of mind to know that if I park this in an area overnight or any extended period of time, that if someone decides they want to try to loosen up my lug nuts or just straight up try to steal my wheels, that they're not going to get very far. Not to mention, these just straight up look amazing. They look OEM. They really finish off the wheel. There's a lot of great plastic center caps online that you can get for pretty cheap, but they don't have that metallic finish to match the wheels in the Cybertruck. These aren't cheap, but you get what you pay for, and they provide superior protection and also give you a really high quality OEM finish. If you guys want to pick these up for yourself, I put a link in the description. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.